You guys, I'm filming a little bit earlier than normal today, so I thought I'd have some coffee. It's got a kick. I don't really know if spiked iced coffee made with Johnny Walker Red Label is a thing, but it is now. You guys, I'm so excited about this video today because I am going to show you the Colourpop Jelly Much eyeshadows. Also, what is up with this fun tie-dyed packaging? I can't even handle it. You guys look great. I already got my base and my bronzer out of the way so we could kind of get into the fun stuff right away. Did you guys watch the finale of Sharp Objects? I know that I keep on bringing up Sharp Objects. It's over now, so I'm not gonna bring it up that much anymore, okay? Mind blown. I'm not gonna spoil anything for you. I'm just saying, make sure you watch the credits. I feel like I'm kind of harnessing the Elizabeth Perkins character with my outfit today. I'm sort of wearing like a flowy muumuu and drinking spiked coffee out of a mug. My friends and I talked about how she is like the most cliche Southern character ever. If you think those people don't actually exist, you've got another thing coming. Well, look what the cat dragged in. Ooh, let me make you a little something with a kick. You don't like my bloodies. If I could just walk around my giant Southern mansion in my colorful muumuus and drink Bloody Marys, I'm sorry, but I'm here for that. I finally got the brand new Glossier Cloud Paints and Storm and Dawn. I actually wasn't in love with these colors when I saw them online, but I will say they translate very differently on the skin and I'm kind of obsessed with them. I think I'm actually gonna mix them a little bit. So Storm is this mauve-y color with a little bit of brown to it, and Dawn is, well, it's a bright orange. Mixing these two together is giving me super autumn vibes. Fall is in the air, can you feel it? I usually apply cloud paint before I set my makeup with powder. I actually didn't realize you can do it after you set your makeup as well. Oh God, it's just like every one of their cloud paints gives you this gorgeous flush. You guys, literally, if you haven't tried cloud paint out yet, I don't understand. A couple of people have said that they feel like cream blushes and liquid blushes break them out. They're not tacky or thick or creamy. I don't think you're gonna have a problem with that. You guys ever have one of those days where you run into someone you know and you're not wearing makeup and they're like, seem a little tired. Feeling okay? Yeah, no, this is just my face and how it looks naturally. Shh. No tucky. You guys, I'm gonna jump right into the Jelly Much eyeshadows. This is a brand new product that Colourpop released a few weeks ago. Got it in two different colors. This is called Once in Floral. Damn it, I can't get it out. And this color is called Foxes. They come with a little disc that says Keep Me. You don't wanna get rid of that because that is what's going to keep the formula nice and jelly for you. This is what the product looks like. You can see it literally is a jelly. It is super pigmented. When you touch it, it's very cool to the touch. You can apply it lots of different ways. I'm gonna go in and pat it in with my finger, and then I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm gonna just kind of buff it out. It should be noted that I don't have any sort of concealer or eyeshadow base on. I feel like this applies a lot better to a clean lid. Look at that color payoff, that's insane. I'm literally using whatever product is on the lid. I'm convinced it would take you probably about 20 years to get through this entire pot. These retail at $8 a piece. I'm gonna take a clean Colourpop eyeshadow brush and just go in and buff this out. There's so many things to love about a product like this. My number one favorite thing is that there is zero fallout. My favorite two things are autumn and the 70s. This is giving me all of them. Obsessed. This is like a one and done eyeshadow situation. Now I'm gonna take a neutral color that resembles my lid and I'm just gonna go in on my brow bone and kind of blend all of that out so it's nice and seamless. This is from my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette. I'm gonna take this little peachy nude right here. I'm just going in and softening that hard line. This is like my new favorite thing. If Elizabeth Perkins from Sharp Objects were here right now, she'd say, well, look at you, ain't you the fancy one? Now we're gonna take Once in Floral and I'm going to do my under eye with it. Taking a little flat tip brush from e.l.f. Just very lightly blend that out. You guys like these faces I make when I do makeup? I feel like I watch other YouTubers and they've obviously figured out how to not look like a freak when they're applying makeup, but not me. Just over here looking like a skeleton. They just blend so beautifully. I'm so impressed. I think I'm seriously gonna have to get all the colors now. Whew, I do declare it is hotter than a whore in church. That's not a good expression to use anymore. Curl my lashes. Use my Benefit Roller Lash. Okay, if this is a limited time product for Colourpop, I'm gonna be mad about it. This is such a great way to rock a really fun eyeshadow look, and this is not intimidating. I feel like anyone could do this. I'm sorry, but ain't nobody got time for using 7 different eyeshadows in one look. Damn it. I'm gonna spill my iced coffee all over my moo-moo. I'm gonna go in with my Note blush in Desert Rose. Nice peachy color. I'm gonna take my Colourpop Super Shock highlighter in On the Cusp, which is from Kathleen Light's Zodiac collection. Yep, that's the stuff. Yep. Cupid's bow. What do I want to wear on my lips? I think I'm gonna mix these and wear this on my lips too. All about products that you can use in more than one way. Does this not want to make you go straight out and get a PSL and go on a hayride? Look what a gorgeous stain that is. You could leave the stain like that, or you could go in with a little bit of gloss. This is my Buxom in Claire. Okay, I literally just made that up on the spot and I'm obsessed with it. This is the finished look. The thing that I love the most about products like this is that they make experimenting with makeup looks fun and approachable. So many makeup looks I see on Instagram and YouTube are absolutely stunning, but they're looks that are created by makeup artists. These aren't looks that a normal person is just gonna want to dive into. Too challenging, too many brushes, too many colors, too many products. That's what's great about a product like this. Everyday people feel like they can try them out and it's not going to be daunting. I think that Elizabeth Perkins on Sharp Objects would approve of my look. Why don't I treat you to something a little extra in your drink? You guys, as always, thank you so much for joining me. If you're enjoying my videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and click that little bell right beneath the video. That is going to alert you anytime I drop a new video. Bye!